Alright, so we had a fire here in this main electrical box. You can see it burned the main breaker coming in. Must have been loose or something, but we're lucky. Burned some wires, but we're going to put a new electric box in. Just a 100 amp service here. So I'm taking everything apart. And we got a new box here. And we're going to put it in. It's got a little more space in it. So we'll see how long it takes. It's about 10:30. So we started taking everything apart, and I've labeled started labeling the wires as I take it apart. Take the boxes out, take the wires out of the box, so then we have it put together the same way or similar. Alright, so we got the old electrical box out, and got a mess right now. No power anywhere. So here's the old box. Of course you can't get the original breaker anymore, so anyway, we got everything tore apart and labeled, so hopefully I can start cleaning up and putting stuff back together. So we got the new box mounted, and now we can start wiring it. Here's the inside here. We still got a few open breakers, so a little bit of room to expand. So the total project cost was probably right around 250 bucks or so for me to do it myself, and it took maybe 4 hours or so to do, so not too bad of a project, I guess, considering what it could have been.